In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to access DeepSeek R1 online. Perplexity now supports DeepSeek with web search, making this currently the best option, and they have a very generous free tier. Furthermore, Perplexity removed the internal censorship that this model was trained into, allowing us to have more accurate responses. So let's dive right in to see how we can access DeepSeek using Perplexity Labs, which I currently have open. And here, all you have to do is switch to Sonar Reasoning, is Perplexity's fine-tuned model using DeepSeek R1 with the censorship removed. To access Perplexity Labs, all you have to do is go to labs.perplexity.ai and it takes you to this page. The response time is also very fast. Let's ask it a question: what goes up but never comes down? And it also shows us its chain of thought. So it shows us how it's thinking, and then it answers this question. So it talks about concept of upward motion without return. And then one example is that I gave is your age. And here you can also use web search, so you can allow Perplexity to search the web or any specific ways of grounding. And here you can choose reasoning with R1. So the DeepSeek models are hosted in the US with US data centers, and Perplexity is a US company. I hope these two methods were helpful, and subscribe and stay tuned for the latest updates in AI.